Welcome everyone to this quick video about DeepSeek. It's lot in buzz in the last few days. This is a Chinese AI company that have launched DeepSeek, and it is an open source model, and I'm using the chat option that they have given us to play around with this. And you can log in with your email ID and let's play around with this particular thing that is there. So what version you are using? So just to know this particular thing, so it is using GPT. It is mentioning it is using GPT-4 architecture because it has been built using the OpenAI data that is there. What model you are? This is still DeepSeek, and then it is telling I am DeepSeek version 3, an intelligent assistant by Chinese company DeepSeek, and I am based on AI technology. And now we can ask, can you make for me a Space Invader game uh, and give me various files to check the demo in LiveWeave. So LiveWeave is a platform where I can just take this code quickly and show how it works. So can you see how fast it is? So it is giving me all the step-by-step things that are there. So in a project, as you all know, that there are few files that we require, and it is very fast comparatively. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that is here. So now what we will do is we'll go to LiveWeave. This is a quick playground for testing of this type of applications that are there. So first we need to write our JavaScript here. So take our JavaScript, copy, take our, just go back here. Just we need to write our JavaScript here. It is so I think I need to run this. I need to log in. Set up a new account. So if you don't have a LiveWeave account, just set up a new account. So if you can see, I have put this particular thing that is here. Also, let me just, this is the, I think this is the HTML part, and this is the CSS part, I think. Let me just make sure that I take the CSS part as well and copy it here. Yeah, so this is the HTML part, this is the CSS part. Now you can see that I have a quick game that is here, but I can't see the ball coming in. So what I can do is go here, update the code. There is no ball coming up. Apologize for the confusion. Let's fix the code. So it has given us something. So let us take the JavaScript again. So this is a very quick way of playing around, and the output is very fast, as you can see. Yeah. So let us copy the JavaScript. Go back here. Now you can have this. Yeah, the space. So now, but it is not bouncing back. So you go back and say the ball is not bouncing back. So now you can see it is working, and you can start playing around with more things that are there. If you want the ball to bounce back or you want to use the same thing, you can do that as well, and you can start playing around with this. So these are some of the things that you can do. So the purpose of showing you this, it is working very well. If you go and see the DeepSeek paper that they have just launched. If you go to the website, the performance is supposedly better than the other benchmarks that are there. Compared to Llama GPT-4o, they are doing much better. If you can see DeepSeek version 3, and in their paper they have also mentioned, if you go to Hugging Face Spaces, you will also see lot of information about DeepSeek. So it's a good way to play around with this, and there is a lot of competition in this space, and this is the latest version. It is many people are talking about this. If you go here, you go to the documentation as well, DeepSeek version 3, you will be able to see a lot of things here. You can also, the same thing that I have done here, you can also use it in they have a GitHub as well, where they have talked about it in details. The DeepSeek version 3, they have talked about their product, they have talked about. Yes, this is the comparison that I wanted to show you. It does well in almost all the specific things that are there. Model summary, they have used they mostly they have trained on GPT-4, and the best thing about this is the processors that they have used is very less. The compute power that they have used is very less. Lot of information is there in this website as well, and it also gives you different ways to use it locally, that is there. See in the more videos.